to help with some disaster relief. Okay, we're in standstill traffic right now, but we were able to go send donations to Centerville Baptist Church and Salem High School. The area was the worst around Salem High School. It was like, I cried. It was pretty bad. It was like something out of a movie. But now someone's blowing on us because
we're going 20 feet. Whee! Yeah, we're getting so far, buddy. We're going so far.
I think an accident or something happened up here because there was like fire trucks and police and everybody passing us. But yeah. So we're back home. And I would say we did the bare minimum, but we did what we could to help. And the point of doing all this today was because we didn't even know we were going to do this today until like 11:30 last night.
Yeah.
It was late. It was after 11.
We were going to go, please the flesh and go to a parade.
Yeah. And then we were just like, the Lord told us we needed to go help today. And I mean, we're by no means a rescue response team or trying to save the world here, but message of the point that we're trying to get across is that if you feel that the Lord is telling you to do something, be obedient, listen, and do it. Yeah. No matter, how small or